What's up guys, in this video we will be checking another exciting crypto project that is going to be launched in Bing. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is AuraDX landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. What is AuraDX AI? So AuraDX is a decentralized customer-centric platform powered by smart contracts and artificial intelligence. So there is no centralized governing body that governs forum. So instead, the governance token will let the members decide the roadmap of AuraDX. So it combines the advantages of Arbitrum distributed ledger and artificial intelligence to deliver a future-proof ecosystem of crypto-related products to the community members and enthusiasts. So let's go ahead and check out the rest of the things that I feel you guys need to know. All right, so AI and decentralized DeFi protocols. So it is a widespread adoption of the blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. As you guys notice, there are a lot of artificial intelligence projects that could aid you on how you could do your crypto trades, do it in exchanges and all this good stuff. The world is steadily entering a new digital era, which is the Web 3.0, guys. We created a video that explains Web 3.0 in depth. Go ahead and check out our channel for that one. So AuraDX builds a decentralized infrastructure to offer a higher degree of interoperability and security to the end user. So removing the need for centralized authorities. So go ahead and check them out, which we highly encourage you to do so, guys. Do your own research as well. So you have open to everyone. AuraDX is a decentralized and is based on governance protocol to ensure inclusiveness. It is sustainable and it is secure, which we are looking for on every project. We want security. We also want stability in terms of, you know, the token price and all those good stuff. So next we have the tokenomics of the project. So AuraDX is the next generation tools to unlock data at a large scale with the power of AI. The token name that they will be using is the same as the name. It's AuraDX, and then the ticker symbol is $DALLE2. It is in the Arbitrum blockchain, so this is a little different on the one that we have been used to, like the Ethereum or the Binance blockchain. So the total supply of the tokens that will be released will be 10 million. And for the taxes, when you buy, there's 3%, and when you sell, there is 5% tax. The token distribution is as follows, guys. You have public sale token, 40%. Liquidity would be 20.4%. Ecosystem is 15%. CEX liquidity, which is the centralized exchange liquidity, is 7%. Reserved is 8%. And for the team, it's 4%. Partnership, 3.6%. And community rewards, which is 2%. All right, so this is the roadmap, guys, real quick. So phase 1, research and planning, that is for Q4 of 2022. That was last year. We are in the third phase basically now. So phase 2, phase 3, Q1 of 2023. So I would assume this is nearly done. Phase 4 is the growth and expansion. This is for Q2 and Q3 of this year, 2023. They would expand marketing, certic audit, see launch earn page, see launch the first project on Launchpad, and then launch AuraDX on Binance Smart Chain. So these are their media partners, guys. You can go ahead and click on them as well. That way you will know more about their partners. So also I would encourage you guys to follow all of their social media platforms. That way you will always be notified when they have like giveaways or airdrops in the future. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe and click that bell. That will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.